I'm in Newport, Kentucky, and this is our backyard structures project. A gazebo, a little fence system, a swing set, and then there's a little arbor over here that we're going to complete for them in a few weeks. It's a tiny little thing. Nothing is more powerful than thick build, high stretch Kong. I'll try to put some pictures in this video so that you guys can see what these systems look like before. Either that or I'll put a link in the description. But just beat down by the weather and destroyed. So we come in, did some washing, did some repair, set loose nails and screws, restoration, and then come through with the thick build, insanely high stretch, toughest exterior wood coating on the planet today, Kong Armor. And we brought these systems back to life. Let's take a look here. A gorgeous little fence system. Again, this is in Newport, Kentucky. I think we named this project the Blue Flag Project, but just absolutely stunning. Tough little system to get the inside of it and all that. He was having problems opening the gate. We got that to open and close for him correctly. But before, this was all protected with thin residential paint and stain. It's a yearly upkeep. Now he has a lifetime thick build, high stretch coating system on here. He's got lifetime warranty and lifetime service, which is unheard of in the industry. But that's how much we believe in Kong. We believe in its power long term to protect exterior wood surfaces. Here's the sun's bad, but this is absolutely stunning. The whole gazebo has been coated in thick build, ultra tough Kong armor. You can see it here everywhere. The floor here, just gorgeous. I just love that thick build appearance on wood. It's absolutely stunningly gorgeous. This system is stunningly gorgeous. Now, we did the inside of it as well. Woo, look how pretty that is, bud. Whew. That is pretty. Everywhere. Super insanely tough. So now when they utilize their pool this summer, Kong is designed for water. It's designed to repel it and protect wood surfaces from water. They don't have any problems. What's super great now is that this coating system, tough, thick film technology, take on wind-driven rain, sleet, ice, hail, like it's nothing, up to hurricane speeds. But it'll be able to withstand the expansion and contraction of this wood and not peel and pop like other coating systems. My phone's going dead, so I have to be swift. But up here is a little swing set up here that was old and white and just broken down and busted down, had vines growing on it. We've come in, completely restored the swing set system with the thick build, high stretch, lifetime coating system, right? So everybody says Kong is just a deck coating, and for the most part that's what we focus on because that's what our system is designed for. But the reality is, by default, Kong is the toughest protection for exterior wood on the planet. Fences, docks, gazebos, pergolas, anything, backyard structure, backyard building, sheds, all this stuff. There is not a coating system on the planet that will go head to head with Kong Armor right now. I stake my reputation on it. Visit www.kongarmor.com to get a lifetime coating system today. Sign up for a free quote. See you.